Angels whisper. When angels come whisper, what do you hear? Are they sweet words of joy or harsh words of fear? Some murmur of trembling and a great gnashing of teeth. Yet others whisper the love of God as the universal belief. When God whispers to me, I hear hope and ways to restore. I step toward the light so I don't have to hurt anymore. I pray that I might be a reflection, a little piece of a God mirror, that I would be used to bring hope to any and all that would hear. When angels come whisper, I pray that they bring your reason to dance and your reason to sing.